This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at this tool typeset.io. So they have a AI Copilot to decode any research paper. So you can quickly upload a paper over here and then you can highlight the confusing text, math and tables to get a simple explanation. You can ask follow-up questions and get instant answers. So I created an account over here with my Google account and then let us upload a PDF file. Basically, I have already uploaded some papers over here. So let us take this paper, tool former, and let's see what happens. It's taking some amount of time. Yes. So yes, it's processing the paper. So it's kind of processed the paper. And then I've actually already asked a set of questions over here, but this is history basically. But let me do it once again. Okay. So here you have described practical implications of this paper. These are some suggestions, right? Questions. So let's see what kind of response it generates. This also helps us to see if I have previously also generated a response. I want to see if it is generating the same thing or something different. With this approach, this paper has practical implications. API calls are filtered. Basically, I think it can retrieve the same thing and present over here. By using a tool form or a language, API calls are filtered. With this approach, it is possible to build more powerful yet smaller models. It gives a very good explanation, and it's kind of giving almost the same response. Maybe it has pulled it from the previous thing. So let me ask a follow-up question over here. So the follow-up question can be like, why is this approach better than GPT-3? Let's see what kind of answer comes up. So it is actually generating the response. It's taking slightly longer time compared to my previous experience. In the previous case, it was quite fast. I think it is, yeah, the response has come. Let's see. This approach is better than GPT-3 because it allows for more accurate predictions and improved zero-shot performance. It uses external APIs to provide additional information. Yeah, so it kind of gives the answer. Okay. So you can also actually highlight some table and then ask for an explanation. So let's try if there is a table somewhere over here in this paper. Yeah, let's try to highlight this table. Okay. I'm not able to properly select a table over here. Maybe I'll select this table. No. Okay. Struggling to select a table. What does it? Okay, maybe I'll select like this. Then I'll say explain text. Let's see what it pulls up from this table. Yeah, it is just basically pulling up that text, but I want to see if it refers to some of these values over here and gives me an explanation. Still generating a response. You can also highlight equations. So previously I had highlighted certain equations and then it gave me explanations on those equations. Table 2 is a table that shows the number of API calls for different values of our filtering threshold. Yeah, this explanation is good. This C star is a data set of that are used to train the tool former model. Yes, actually yes. The filtering threshold is a parameter that used to determine which. So it is actually referred to this table somewhere down in the paper, and then from there it is pulled up and it has given a good explanation. So as I said, you can also highlight mathematical equations. Let me search for an equation somewhere. Okay, think much before there is an equation somewhere. Yeah, so maybe I'll just select this small part of text. I'm struggling to select text. I'll use the keyboard and then I'll say explain text. Yeah, I missed out the F over there and selecting, but let's see. Yeah, the highlighted text is a mathematical equation. Calculate the difference between two values. The equation states that the difference between two values must be greater than a certain threshold. That's to determine whether the difference between two values is, yeah, just explains that equation. Okay, maybe I'll select this equation. Does it select everything? Just want to select from here. Okay, maybe I'll select up to here and see. Let's see how it explains this equation. Yeah, PM is, this is the probability of the token, this is the probability of the API, this is the probability of the previous tokens. Yes. The equation states that the probability of the token is equal to the probability of the API given the previous tokens. Okay. Yes, that is what is this particular equation. So it has explained quite well. So you can actually go and, you know, try out this tool for yourself. You can also discover some papers which have been explained over here. You can try out them. You can also upload your papers and try it out. Let me see if there is any. Yeah, it's currently a free to use tool as per my understanding, because I don't see any particular terms and conditions over here. So you can actually try out this particular tool, typeset.io, to understand research papers. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.